With a Disney-themed cruise ship to the latest edition of Princess Royal class ship recently launched, Discovery Princess and luxury celebrity cruise line. In today's video, we'll talk about the top 7 best new cruise ships in 2022. Royal Caribbean, Wonders of the Sea. Royal Caribbean fans have been anticipating the arrival of the company's newest ship, Wonder of the Seas. The new ship is the 5th in the Royal Caribbean's Oasis class and will be the world's largest cruise ship since it started to sail in March 2022. Wonder of the Seas, which was originally scheduled to launch in the Asian market for full-time sailings from China, will instead redeploy to the Caribbean and sail from Fort Lauderdale. The ship has 18 decks and can accommodate roughly 7,000 guests. On board the gigantic ship, there will be 8 distinct neighborhoods. A suite area, a new neighborhood dedicated completely to suite guests, is also being introduced by the company. The pool on the ship has been completely rebuilt to provide extra area for swimming and relaxing in the shade. There's also a rebuilt aqua theater and boardwalk on the pool deck, and the all-new Wonder Playscape, an underwater wonderland with slides, climbing walls, puzzles, and games on the ship's upper deck. It'll debut all on the Wonder of the Seas. Disney Cruise Line, Disney Wish. The Disney Wish was all lined up to join the Disney fleet the summer of 2022. Disney hasn't launched a new ship in nearly a decade, so this was a huge deal for the cruise business. The Disney Wish is the first of these 3 ships in the line's new Triton class. The following ships are scheduled to also be delivered in 2024 and 2025. With a present tiny cruising market presence, this development will dearly increase Disney's sailing capacity. The ship will emphasize amazing dining and traditional Disney motifs throughout the sailing experience. The Disney Wish, which is somewhat larger than the company's previous 2 ships, will include 3 new restaurants on board. These will be family-friendly restaurants where food and storytelling combine to create an amazing experience. Disney Wish will include an all-new theatrical experience in a Frozen-themed restaurant, complete with Anna and Elsa musical performances. The worldwide cuisine inspired by the Marvel Cinematic Universe during the Avengers Quantum Encounter will also appeal to cruisers. This immersive technology experience will transport guests on an action-packed mission, while also taking their taste buds on their own excursion. The new ship will also include a slew of other wow features that earlier ships did not have. The Star Wars universe allows cruisers to help the boat's residents by immersing themselves in another very immersive experience aboard a spacecraft. Disney Wish is the ideal new ship for families who adore everything Disney. Celebrity Cruise Line, Celebrity Beyond. Celebrity Beyond, the 3rd ship in Celebrity's Edge series, will launch in 2022 and sail European itineraries before heading to the Caribbean for the winter. Celebrity Beyond's outdoor space will be 40% larger than the other Edge series ships' main decks. Celebrity Beyond will debut a 2-story bar dubbed the Sunset Bar aboard Edge class ships. With 32 dining options on board, there will be new dining options for everyone. In addition, the new ship will contain a refurbished rooftop garden and grand plaza. The Magic Carpet, the world's first cantilevered floating platform that elevates passengers 13 floors above sea level, will also debut at Celebrity Beyond. The Magic Carpet will feature a full bar itself and live music, as well as stunning views of the open ocean. Beyond will boast the most staterooms and suites of any ship in Celebrity Cruise Line's entire fleet, including a 2-story villa, according to Celebrity Cruise Line themselves. Suite visitors will enjoy the Retreat, a multi-level sun deck reserved exclusively for suite guests. If you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's continue. Norwegian Cruise Line, Prima. Norwegian hasn't introduced a new cruise ship class in over a decade. Prima will be the first ship in the cruise line Leonardo class, which promises to deliver numerous firsts to the company's industry, to the cruise industry itself. Norwegian's Prima launched summer 2022. Surprisingly, Prima will be smaller than Norwegian's previous manufactured ships. The cruise ship will be able to dock at smaller ports throughout the world, and as a result of this, the cruise ship also hopes to be dubbed the most expansive ship at sea. Suite options of any Norwegian ship at sea afloat. The Drop, a 10-story slide that claims to be one of the fastest slides at sea with greater G-force than an accelerating race car, will also be featured at Prima. More thrills are provided by the company's 3-level racetrack, a first for any cruise ship still on the open ocean. Evenings on board Prima will be everything but dull when the ship's multi-level theater changes into a full-fledged nightclub. The theater's renovation into a Las Vegas-style setting is sure to impress guests. The Price is Right and Supermarket Sweep will be along the interactive games available at the nightclub as well. Virgin Voyages, Resilient Lady. Virgin Voyages is the newest cruise line to enter the sea. The Resilient Lady, the cruise line's newest ship, has started to sail from Athens, Greece. It just started in July, before returning to this home port of San Juan for the winter cruise season. Virginia Voyages, designed by the inventive Richard Branson, is tearing down barriers in the cruise ships industry. This ship class has an adult-only environment with plenty of venues to eat and drink. Virgin ships will continue to forego the traditional main dining room, instead providing cruisers with a variety of restaurants and specialty dining alternatives. Non-traditional entertainment is at the heart of Virgin ships, including the world's first tattoo shop at sea. Similar to Scarlet Lady and Valiant Lady, entertainment will continue to be unique and diversified. Unfortunately, the ship's very small pool is unlikely to be modified. There will be lots of wellness options and nightlife for sailors to enjoy aboard Resilient Lady. MSC, World Europa. MSC's highly anticipated new cruise ship, World Europa, will debut in November 2022. World Europa is the first ship of the cruise line's new World class, which will be followed by 3 other ships over the next 3 years. The cruise ship will have 21 decks and a capacity of roughly 7,000 people. This cruise ship will be one of the world's largest and most technologically advanced ships of all time. MSC's World Europa will be organized into multiple districts and neighborhoods, similar to Royal Caribbean's Oasis-class cruise ships. These will feature adult-only zen areas, as well as family-friendly neighborhoods with plenty of kid-friendly alternatives and activities. The World Europa will also have an aft infinity pool, 6 additional pools, and 14 hot tubs. The pool deck will also have a familiar sun deck and an aqua park with virtual reality technology and numerous water slides. After a day at the pool, cruisers can relax in an English-style bar that drinks beer manufactured on the boat. MSC has verified that World Europa will all be one of the most environmentally friendly cruise ships at sea. World Europa has been outfitted with a fuel cell pilot plant dubbed Blue Horizon, which will be fueled by LNG. This is the first time this revolutionary technology will be utilized on any cruise ship, making the arrival of MSC's World Europa all the more exciting. Princess Cruise Line. Discovery Princess. Princess Cruise Line's newest ship, Discovery Princess, has joined our list of the ships set to debut in 2022. This slick new ship will be the 6th and final addition to the Princess Royal class of ships. Discovery Princess is also the 3rd ship constructed with a Medallion class, which delivers a personalized and extraordinary cruise experience. Discovery Princess will continue to provide passengers with a variety of novel experiences, including spectacular vistas from the largest balconies at sea. Spend some time unwinding in the Sanctuary, which is an adults-only area refuge on board. The Discovery Princess will also have extra pool areas, including more hot tubs, an infinity pool, and 2 deep tank pools. Throughout their voyage, cruisers can also savor world-class cuisine prepared by Michelin-starred chefs. The Discovery Princess will also open a new line of jazz bar called Take 5, as well as a specialty cocktail bar and a comedy club. A new year is approaching in a few months, and many cruise lovers are anticipating the arrival of new ships. Although the COVID-19 outbreak prevented trips for about a year, cruise lines did not cancel plans for future cruise ships themselves. The majority of the ships are set to debut in 2022 and are running behind schedule due to pandemic-related production concerns. Some ships that were scheduled to launch in 2022 have moved back to 2023. Nonetheless, there will be a variety of new cruise ships debuting in 2023 as well. If you're enjoying sailing on brand new ships, try booking a stateroom on one of the following new ships as they make their way in the much-anticipated lineup of debuts. Which of these cruise ships did you like the most? Let us know in the comments section below. Hope you liked the video. If you want more cool videos like this, stay connected with us because we have some more coming for you. If you liked today's video, here's a suggestion that I would like to make for you. Take a look at these 12 amazing concepts of the future that are on the next level. It's a must-watch, guys. Take care. See you in the next video.